time doesn't mean you will have to do work all day. It is just that you will have to manage it in a proper way. So I will try to give you brief idea. Time is limited. I will have to manage it time. So I will just try to give you whatever I have learned so far. Next, please. So today we will focus on mastering your day based on time management. Why it is important? Time management. Everybody has a complaint. કામ પૂરું ના થયું. અરે યાર આજે નહીં ફરવા જવાય, આજે કાલે રાખો, મારે કામ બાકી છે. So efficiency. First thing the time management gives you is efficiency. Optimizing time with maximum use. If you optimize your time, you can utilize it in a proper way. Balance, attaining a balance between work and personal life. જે મોટા ભાગના કેસમાં થતું હોય છે. તો to attain that you need to do time management. Productivity, achieving more with better productivity. In less time you can do much more, or you can do work effectively. Stress reduce થશે if you do time management. Next please. Okay, so how you can do these things, how you can get out effectively these things from your day. First of all, you will have to identify your priorities. બધા businessmen છે, બધા જોડે બહુ બધા કામ હોય છે. When you go to the office, you have a list of n numbers of work to do today, or not today, but you feel you need to do it today. So what you can do is you can identify your priorities. પોતાની priorities આપણે list down કરો. First thing you need to do is you have to list down your work or task you want to do. In that task, you will have to identify which are the tasks you need to do today. 15 ટાસ્કનું લિસ્ટ છે, એમાંથી 5 એવા છે કે તમારે આજે જ કરવા પડશે. અધરવાઇઝ યુ કેન સે કે એ 5 કામ કરવાથી તમને વધારે બેનિફિટ મળશે. Then you will have to list them on first priority. Identify. Then you can set goal. After identifying that task, you will have to set goal. આ ટાસ્ક મારે આજના દિવસમાં પૂરા કરવા જ છે. Categorize task based on urgent and importance. અર્જન્ટ કયું છે, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કયું છે, અર્જન્ટ અને ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કયું છે, એની એક મેથડ બી છે. We will go through this. There is Eisenhower matrix which